You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
So first of all, I have a great salam to you all. My name is Zubrali and today my topic is they smile, they ask me if I don't, they smile and ask me, they ask me that about a question that if you don't mind, I should tell you something. And I smile and say, and I smile and listen what they are saying. Now, you also listen what they are saying. I know about myself, what I am doing, because I begin with the end in mind. I know that what I am doing, I know that when I am here, I know what I am doing, how I am playing, I know about that. What's my area, what's my perfect shooting, I know that, what I am saying. And when somebody else says me, they were not my advice, they were not my advisor, they were not my master. And when they says me, if you don't mind, I should tell you something. I know that what they are gonna say. That's why I smiled. And what their question was, I should tell you guys as well. Their question was like that, how you are improving so much. So that's how my answer was this simple. And I smiled and moved my hand for him because he was the one who made me. He was my master who made me something in my life. Because I know that. And that's the problem. What to say when there is nothing to say. In this coaching, the people also know that he was the one giving confidence to everyone. He is the one who is making everyone. But the people who are the real ones will also promote him. Otherwise, the fake one will never. And there will be a deficiency in the fake one. They will never talk like me because I know that I am the real and I am improving. That's enough for me. And when they ask me something, I should tell them one thing. That yeah, I smile and move my hand for him. Because that is simply answer for him. And they get more jealous. That's how much attitude that boy is having. That's not attitude. That's the game he teach me. That's when you are here. You are not here to bow in front of everybody. You are not here to say to everybody, that's yeah, how are you sir? How are you sir? When I am the champion in my eyes. When I am here, no one can compete with me. That doesn't matter how much big champion is standing beside me or standing in front of me. That doesn't make sense.
Come on! So you are talking about here I am learning and here I have a confidence and I have a patience to speak in front of the world and I am taking the training from that master by this master everybody is taking the training. The thing is that if you are standing here and telling these guys, so these guys know which type of quality my master having. If you will say this word here, let nobody know. Their word will be worthy. But if you will say this word here, this word is worthless here because everybody knows this thing here. And you are talking about I am here for everyone, whoever is in front of me. The thing is that in this arena, if you are saying that yeah, I am enough for everyone. The thing is that if you are patient to do something, if you are spirit to do something, if you are after getting some success, if you are humble in your game or not, if you are respecting or not, if you are honest or not on your mind. The thing by word you are not saying, but the thing in your mind is going on. And you are talking about I smile. Wait, I just smile and go away from there. The thing is that the person don't smile in front of them. The person the name in the person who came in front of someone. So he say, I am being here and I am coming here for defeating you. I don't smile. I will defeat you, I will kill you. But in your presentation there was no word like this. So how will you believe that you are loyal with this master?
Not the real one. I know that myself. If I am improving, I know that I am the real one. That's why I am improving. And you talk about that everyone is there who is learning from him. So what I talk in my presentation, I also said what to say when there is nothing to say. Everybody knows that he was the making the champion. Everybody knows that he was the one promoting everybody. He was the one giving confidence to everybody. Then what to say when there is nothing to say? Everybody knows the truth. And that's your mindset. That you are not promoting him or not. I know that, and you have said that why I smile. So you know that after a match, there's people ask me that yeah, how you can be that much tough, how that you are doing very much well. So that's why I smile and just move my hand to him. And because I know that he was the simple answer, and because I know he was the one making me something, I know he was the one. I know who was I am before that, and who was I am standing right now because of him, and I will be respecting him, and I will be promoting him. That doesn't matter how much people I'm gonna face like you. I don't care.
Last question.
Okay.
Fine.
Why was God is there when somebody speaks and when in smile? So you know what? Remember about you're telling about that I'm students of this. Everybody is students of the face. So the thing is not matter is that
you are coming here and you are showing their dead. Because the one, you know, the one real student is dead by the action and by the game, they will tell that and the better student also be done. Because if you are saying that they will smile. You know, people will not accept that while you smile. You said in the game when you enter and you won the match. When they after on your face smile becomes I win the match. And I do first all first of that people how I focus and how I give performance in the game. But the real fighter will always win in the game. They will never smile. After the game winning they will smile because they know they win and they get opportunity to get what I match. Because after they have more opportunity to get many faces and they have a lot of fun when you smile.
What you are listening over here, I said to your captain as well that after the match those people asked me how I am improving that much, how I can play that much well. As I answered him the same thing that after the match they asked me, after the match youngsters asked me that how I can improve that much. At that time I smiled and replied my hand to him because he was the one who made me something. And the people like you who go downstairs and says that I was the confidence from my since I joined the coaching. I just joined for the grammar. So man, come on, be the real one for the him, not the fake one.